Hello YouTubers. I'm out in my buddy's backyard here. He just bought this piece of equipment about a month ago, and the sole purpose is to dig a hole big enough to bury that gas tank. We're having a little problem with gas shortages here in northern Arizona, so my buddy wants to add one more gas tank to his country store. This excavator came with about a 3-foot bucket on it, and it has this thumb, and it's made to basically to pick up rocks. This is a piece of mining equipment, and we are going to convert it back to a digging equipment. Basically, the bucket had big fingers on it, so it could grab rocks and let the dirt fall through. So first we had to cut off all them teeth, find new teeth mounts. Everything's got to be grinded smooth, and then it gets a new set of digging teeth. I've been grinding for a day and a half, and I finally got the last piece of the finger teeth off, and I'm about ready to start grinding it smooth, and then I will be able to weld the new teeth on. This is actually one of the teeth, and they had to be cut off of that side, and then the back plate of it cut off of this side. There's a new tooth mount. And new tooth. Give me a couple hours to clean this up, and I'll be welding those on. There's actually 5 of them. We're going to arc weld them on. Got all the goodies out. It's been quite the project. But beats flipping burgers. Thanks for watching.